After a couple of weeks, I am finally finished updating the TV stand and bookshelves in our downstairs living room. I have been wanting to update and paint these laminate bookshelves for so long, and the dresser we have been using for a TV stand finally looks like it belongs. To prepare for painting, I went ahead and filled in the shelving holes on the bookshelves and sanded them with an electric sander. The laminate would need to be roughed up so the primer would be able to adhere properly. To avoid a bigger mess, I used liquid sandpaper on the dresser because it was solid wood and only needed to be deglassed. I ended up doing 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of paints for both the TV stand and the bookshelves. Before priming, I should have braced the bookshelves a little bit more, but decided after the fact that they would need reinforcement more than just the new backing. A little setback with having to fill in the nail holes and painting those areas, but it was worth it. For the new backing on the bookshelves, I used a 1/8 inch plywood. Originally, I was going to stain the plywood, but really like the wood color as is, so I just lightly sanded the surface so it would be nice and smooth. For the shelves in the bookshelf, I wanted to try wrapping them in a white contact paper to eliminate the multiple steps of sanding, priming, and painting. The contact paper had a matte finish, and the bookshelves I had painted had a gloss finish to them, but you couldn't tell the difference once I placed the shelves back onto the bookshelf. I had also removed the hardware and spray painted them gold since I'm not a big fan of silver. My family is happy to have the basement living room back, and I'm excited to enjoy looking at this upgrade that I have been wanting to do for so long.